Welcome. We were seeing how ChatGPT and Excel can make an explosive combinations for data analytics. We saw that as far as creating Visual Basic macro is concerned, ChatGPT does excellent job. However, as far as number crunching is concerned, you have to make the prompts very accurate and you have to give proper context. Otherwise, it may mess up something. Mostly it is mess up on the part of the person who is giving the prompt. But this is one another great platform, rose.com. Usually I avoid discussing anything, but these people have done excellent integration of spreadsheets with OpenAI, ChatGPT that is. So you can go to this rose.com and open account. It just requires an email address. Once you go there and your account is created, a free account is enough. I am also using free account, but one can upgrade the plan. Uh, okay. Now, once you open this platform and initially you will see these three things: create spreadsheet, import file, and browse templates. All these things below it, that is, you will not see it, only these three things. You can create a new spreadsheet by clicking on it. I have already created, so here it is. Before that, I will show you how to integrate rows with OpenAI. And rows can be integrated with so many things: Alpha Vantage, Google Analytics, these Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and so many other things. But at present, I am interested in OpenAI. So I will just go to that OpenAI here. And I have already integrated. That's why it is showing me connected. Otherwise, you have to press here. It will ask you that you can grab your OpenAI API key from this, and the friendly link is also there. It will open this where you can either create a new key or use existing key. Mostly existing keys they don't allow to copy paste second time, so you have to create a new key. Say I am creating a new key and I am saying for rows, create a new key, and I'm just copy pasting and I revoke the earlier. Okay, fine. And I come back to my row and I am putting, because now my actually OpenAI would not be connected, that key by which I had connected. So I am using this to connect. And it is now connected, but with new API key. And hopefully things should work nicely. Now, coming back to what we can do. So, as I said, you can create a new uh, uh, spreadsheet, but I have already created this one. You need to, this is at present in read only view, and you can share this. This is also a very friendly feature. So, you can share this to others if you want that those others do not edit but only see the results. Okay, but here I use edit spreadsheet. And now some extra buttons are visible. Okay, they are usual button. You can insert a new table, you can create pivot table, chart, a drop down list, date picker, checkbox, etc. Even inside the spreadsheet, if I right click, then row can be inserted, column can be inserted or deleted, and all those things. Now, this spreadsheet is review of around 8 reviews are there of customers. from say platforms like Amazon or Flipkart. And I want to classify these reviews into positive, negative, etc. Okay. So I want to do review classification. I have chosen only 8 records because my account on Rose is also free account and my account on uh, OpenAI is also free account. But if you are doing a practical database with thousands and thousands of rows, then you have to buy subscription of both rows as well as OpenAI. For the demo purpose, this is fine. Now, suppose there are 10,000 rows and you want to do sentiment analysis, which is a classification task. So, normally, how we do it? Normally, we do it by dividing these 10,000 rows into 7,000 rows as a train set and 3,000 rows as a test set. Then we run some model or models, rather algorithms on the train set, which will create a set of models. Then we run those models on the unknown test set, that is, those remaining 3,000 records which were not used in the training. And we measure the accuracy of model and etc. things. And then we decide the most accurate model for our work of sentiment classification. Now, this platform makes this thing completely easy by using AI. So here I choose this. This is my data. Okay. These are my sentiments. And I choose data actions. What you want to do? I want to solve with AI. Solving also can be cleaning the data. I have already given the cleaned reviews, but even cleaning is also possible. Then uh, here I want to do classification, so I will choose these options. Now here they are asking me what is the mm, prompt. As a prompt, I can just simply click on this first review. Okay. So, and then what are the tags? Then in tags, I can choose the example which they have given: positive, negative, and neutral. Multi-tag at present I am keeping off. Temperature, if you keep 0, it will go for highest accuracy, well-defined answer. If you keep 1, it will go for highest creativity, imaginations. Uh, that is useful if you are composing music or painting, etc. But we want obviously accurate answer for our classification. So I'm keeping default 0. Max tokens also default 2000 is fine. And the model is also default, the best possible model. These rows automatically selects. Okay. Now I want to populate this row with the sentiment. So yes, it is working now. And you can see this review. This review is the product I received was in excellent condition and working fantastic. So that is highly positive and therefore it correctly classified it positive. Now there is no need to do all that repetitive action once again. I just have to drag whenever I see that cross, drag down. Of course, token limit will be reached. So I should not drag all, but I can do say undo with these also. Yeah, it has classified this. Then I can, here also it is trying to classify. Yes, even that it is classifying. So I think that error will go on its own. It is taking time because of our free, that configuration error should clear on its own. That is what my belief is. But this much is enough because negative. These error I can do this one at a time, one at a time, again one at a time. It reached its limit. That is the problem. Okay. Mostly it goes its on its own. But this much is enough. For example, product late and all that is negative. Here customer support was great and asked for refund. Then it was promptly credited, so it is positive. So I think it should work well. Yes, it is showing rate limit reached. So that is the problem because this is an external platform. So fine, I will stop at this.